When you think of the world's great shopping cities, Lisbon probably isn't the first place that comes to mind. Most travellers picture fashion capitals like London, Paris, or New York, but rarely the Portuguese capital. And yet, Lisbon has a deep, fascinating shopping culture shaped by centuries of exploration. During Portugal's age of discovery, goods from Brazil, India, West Africa, China, and Southeast Asia poured into the city's ports. Spices, silks, jewellery, porcelain, and exotic woods filled Lisbon's markets, transforming it into one of the world's most important trading hubs. Today, that history still lingers in the city's flea markets. Artisan workshops, antique shops, and bohemian districts. And because Lisbon is known as the cheapest city in Western Europe, it becomes a paradise for bargain hunters, people like me who arrive with a suitcase half empty, hoping to fill it with unexpected treasures. From colonial-era antiques to quirky handmade crafts and luxury boulevards lined with designer brands, Lisbon offers a shopping journey that is full of surprises. As you walk through the city's tiled streets and hop on its iconic yellow trams, the excitement builds. Our goal is simple: find the best markets, uncover hidden gems, and test just how far a shopping budget can stretch here. So join us as we explore everything from traditional flea markets to chic fashion districts and creative artist hubs. Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders. As you explore Lisbon, you quickly realise that the city offers a full spectrum of shopping experiences. From bustling flea markets filled with antiques and handmade crafts, to bohemian arts districts bursting with creativity, all the way to high-end luxury streets and tourist-friendly shopping hubs, there's something for every taste and budget. Lisbon isn't just about flea markets, it's a city where you can hunt for vintage treasures in the morning, discover quirky artisan shops in the afternoon, and end your day strolling along elegant boulevards lined with designer stores. No matter what kind of shopper you are, Lisbon has a little bit of everything waiting for you. After diving into the chaos and charm of Feira da Labra, it's time to explore the rest of Lisbon's shopping landscape. And what makes this city so exciting is the contrast, because just a short tram ride away, the atmosphere shifts completely. Let's count down the top 5 shopping destinations in Lisbon, each offering something unique for curious shoppers. If you want to dive straight into Lisbon's lively shopping heart, Baixa and Chiado is the place to start. Right in the centre of the city and easily accessible by metro, this district is a perfect mix of high street fashion, local Portuguese brands and large department stores. You'll find global favourites like Zara, Mango and H&M alongside Armazéns do Chiado, a historic mall that blends modern shopping with old-world charm. While you browse for fashion and lifestyle items, don't miss the quirky local stores that give this area its character. For example, Mundo Fantástico da Sardinha Portuguesa is a sardine-themed gift shop that's both whimsical and uniquely Portuguese. Walking through Baixa and Chiado, you'll notice the streets are always lively, with cafes spilling onto the sidewalks and street performers adding energy. It's vibrant, fun, and a great place to spend a few hours discovering both familiar brands and local treasures. For those of you who love luxury and elegance, Avenida da Liberdade is a must visit. Often compared to Paris's Champs-Élysées, this tree-lined boulevard is Lisbon's most glamorous shopping street. Here, you'll find flagship stores for Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Cartier, and other top-tier designers. Even if you're not planning to buy, strolling down Avenida da Liberdade is an experience in itself. The wide sidewalks, elegant facades, and upscale cafes create a sophisticated atmosphere perfect for people watching or admiring the architecture. This stop is ideal if you're a high-end shopper, a fashion lover, or simply want to soak in Lisbon's polished, luxurious side. If you're looking for a truly unique shopping adventure, Feira da Labra, Lisbon's famous flea market, is where you'll want to go. Held at Campo de Santa Clara in Alfama every Tuesday and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m, this market offers everything from bottom-of-the-drawer odds and ends to real treasures. As you wander through the rows of stalls, you'll see antiques, vintage clothes, collectibles, military memorabilia, old opera glasses, handcrafted ceramics, and jewellery created by local artisans. One moment you might be bargaining for a €10 watch, The next, you could be admiring a handmade necklace priced at €75, crafted by a designer working right on site. If you explore a little further, hidden antique shops reveal rare Portuguese colonial pieces, like an 18th century jewellery box from Goa that costs roughly €3,000, still a bargain compared to UK prices. Feira da Labra is more than a market, it's a living blend of history, culture and craftsmanship. Meeting artisans, discovering one-of-a-kind items and negotiating for the best price turns shopping into a real adventure. For vintage lovers, collectors and anyone who enjoys treasure hunting, this market is impossible to skip. If you want something more modern, creative and artsy, LX Factory is the place to be. Situated under the iconic 25 de Abril Bridge, this former industrial complex has been transformed into Lisbon's coolest arts district. You'll find quirky boutiques, indie designers, bookstores, home decor shops, pottery studios, cafes and vibrant street murals at almost every corner. Walking through LX Factory, you'll notice a younger, creative crowd enjoying the unique vibe. This is the perfect spot to pick up original home decor, art books, or handmade artisan goods. And don't forget to take a break at one of the cafes or small restaurants. Many of them are incredibly Instagrammable, offering a great backdrop for photos as you shop and explore. LX Factory combines creativity, style, and food culture, making it a destination you won't want to rush through. Topping the list is Rua Augusta, Lisbon's bustling pedestrian street connecting Praça do Comércio to Rocio Square. It's the city's most famous shopping street and offers a mix of souvenirs, clothing, accessories and crafts, all in a lively, tourist-friendly environment. Walking down Rua Augusta, you'll find restaurants, cafes and street performers creating a vibrant, energetic atmosphere. It's perfect for casual shopping, picking up gifts, or simply soaking in Lisbon's lively street life. And since it's located in the heart of the city, you can easily combine shopping with sightseeing, exploring nearby plazas, monuments and viewpoints. Rua Augusta captures the essence of Lisbon's charm, energetic, accessible and full of surprises around every corner. So there you have it, Lisbon's best shopping destinations, each offering a unique piece of the city's personality. From historic flea markets to artistic hubs and luxury boulevards, this city proves that great shopping isn't limited to the usual fashion capitals. If you've been to Lisbon, tell us which spot was your favourite. And if you haven't visited yet, which of these places would you shop at first? If you enjoyed this guide, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a travel and shopping adventure. Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.